Hey guys, it's Alex. Buenas tardes, soy Alex y en este tutorial vamos a recrear este look usando la paleta, el Parka Princess Bronzer Bar y el Tarte Pro Glow y Blush. Tarte Pro Glow and Blush. I was thinking in Spanish, trying to speak in English. Tell me how that happens. Anyway, if you guys like this look, keep on watching. Si te gusta este look, sigue mirando. Before my foundation, antes de mi base, me encanta aplicar el Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I do find that before applying, or whenever I apply this before my foundation really sticks to my face. Doesn't really move anywhere, and this also keeps my face very hydrated, which is something that I'm going for nowadays. So we're gonna apply some Drink of H2O just with our fingers. I just like to grab it off of the top and apply to dry areas. And then something else I really enjoy applying before my foundation is our Base Tape Hydrating Primer. If you guys haven't tried that, you need to check it out ASAP Rocky. But it is a primer as well as a moisturizer. So it keeps your face hydrated for 12 hours underneath your makeup, which is, like I said, a skin win. And this year is all about skin wins. Okay, el próximo paso es la base. We're going to use our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation for our next step. I'm actually the shade Medium Tan Honey, just in case you wanted to know. But I like to just literally apply it onto my face, and then I just buff it out with our buffer brush, which is my favorite brush ever created. You can see like the very small amount that I applied on my cheek, and the difference, it's already made. Like here you see redness, some big ass pores, some dryness. Flawless. I love it. Love it. Now for our concealer para corrector, vamos a utilizar el Shape Tape Contour Concealer. We're going to use our Shape Tape Contour Concealer for under our eyes. And when I first started using our Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my under eyes, I literally used to do just like 2 dots. But whenever I really want that full coverage look, I just kind of glide it on all over my face. Yeah, you can use as little as you want or as much as you want. I'm going for full coverage, so I'm using mucho. Now to set my face, I've been really obsessed with using our Parka Princess Bronzer Bar right here. So I want to show you the 2 shades that I've been using to set my face. So I've been loving these right here for my under eye and my entire face. And then I really do love to use these customized as my bronzer. Now for some bronzer, blush, and highlight. Ahora para el colorete o rubor, bronceador y iluminador o brillo, vamos a utilizar el Tarte Pro Glow and Blush. We're going to use this beauty for our next 3 steps. Now to me, it's all about the base. I have a specific routine to my base. This is it. So now we're gonna get started on the eyes, and for my crease, we're just gonna use our Parka Princess Bronzer Bar right here. I'm gonna use that shade Angle. Estoy aplicando el tono Angle del Parka Princess Bronzer Bar para los pliegues. Now I'm taking the shade Crown for my outer V. Estoy aplicando el tono Crown en la esquina exterior. Since this palette is so versatile, I'm going to go back into our Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette, and I'm going to take this gorgeous blush shade, Tempo, and apply it all over my lid. The next step is a quick microline before we apply some falsies, because you gotta add some falsies. El próximo paso es una micro línea antes de aplicar los pestañas postizas, because you need them. So, BRB. For our falsies today, we use the shade, or the style, Lights Camera Lashes. These are actually one of my favorites, especially because it's after my favorite mascara. So we're going to take these out, apply some lash adhesive, and plop them on. Para los labios, for the lips, we're going to use our Tarte Premix Gloss, because this literally looks good with everything. Here we have the final look. Aquí tenemos el look final. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial using two of my favorites, our Parka Princess Bronzer Bar and our Tarte Pro Glow and Blush Palette, because they're just so versatile. Like, I can go on vacation or just have two makeup products and this be both of them, because I've got everything right here. Literally my entire face. Right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Déjenme saber en los comentarios de abajo si les gustó. Until next time y hasta la próxima vez. Shout out tartelettes.